Hello everybody, Brad Johnson here, and I'm happy to announce the unveiling of the brand new Prime Mentor platform. You can go to theprimementor.com and you can check out the brand new website that is now going to be replacing wisdomtransmissions.com. This is also beginning the new unveiling of the Prime Mentor podcast, which is going to be taking place every single Wednesday. So the difference between the new Prime Mentor website and the old Wisdom Transmissions website is that through the sessions and the reports and even the memberships that you can be a part of, this is all about taking things to a new level. This is a revolutionary change, a new transformation in regards to building yourself up for inner development, working together with what's known as the prime law, looking into moving into the prime mind. Not only that, but I'm also working together with my own custom-built technology that is referred to as the Divinate metaphysical synthesis system. And what this involves is actually looking at a variety of different forms of metaphysical technology when it comes to numerology, astrology, I Ching, and many other different forms, where I'm actually putting everything together in a synthesis to helping actually prepare the sessions that I'll be doing with you, where I'll be leading and directing a great deal of the sessions to helping you achieve your goals, to help you also remove and release all of the anti-goals and restraints around them. So again, I have some brand new sessions here. One is the Regeneration Session. This is replacing the whole nature of healing, which means I'm no longer involving myself with healing anymore. It's now involving myself with regeneration. And regeneration is very different from the old healing ways of doing things. So the new regeneration system and regeneration session is now available on the Prime Mentor. We're also going to be looking at what's known as the focus sessions and the mentoring sessions. So as I mentioned, this is going to be fundamentally different. Is that with a focus session, I'm giving you a little hint, a small amount of the mentoring capacity, working together with a simple focus session just to help align yourself into very strong set goals that you want to achieve, whether it's to build a business, whether it's to bring in more money into your life, whether it's new relationships, whether it's the ability to travel, whatever it may be, we're going to be working on it together. And of course, working with the mentoring session. This is a 90-minute session that is done, and we're going to be looking a lot more deeper into the actual synthesis of the Divinate technology, working together with a variety of your metaphysical charts, putting them together in that state of synthesis, and I'm going to be outlining your entire session for you so that we can look at any particular areas of goals that you want to achieve, and again, working together with the prime law system to helping you work together in clearing out any anti-goals, restraints, resistances that are in the way. It's going to be a lot more simpler than how it was in the past, where in the past it was really about Q&A sessions. You would come to me with your questions. Now you would again come back to me again, but I have this entire outline working with the Divinate synthesis metaphysical system to help you in clearing out all of these boundaries, resistances, anti-goals, so that you're reaching your goal together. I am teaching you the true nature of manifestation, working together in how it can actually be very simplistically applied to yourself, how to move into what's known as the prime state, and looking a lot more deeper into the prime mind. But it doesn't stop there. We also have subscriptions. We have what's known as the Seeker subscription model, and we also have the Initiate subscription model. With the Seeker, this is the lighter version. This is where you're actually able to try out the Divinate chat, which is a universal system. And by the way, I will be doing a lot more tutorials with the Divinate chat because it is even greater than the previous system that I created called the Anoint chat. So with the Divinate chat, this is taking things to a whole new level. It is a universal system built on AI intelligence, built also on a lot of my teachings as well too. And of course, also working together with the synthesis of being able to have accurate chart-based readings, like through Vedic astrology, Western astrology, Chinese astrology, rune astrology, looking into numerology, looking into palm readings, even palmistry as well too, even face readings, aura readings, you name it. Pretty much every particular type of metaphysical system that exists is available through Divinate. So this is, again, all part of the subscriptions, where you can try the Divinate chat for yourself, again, on a limited level through the Seeker subscription, and an unlimited level through the Initiate subscription. So again, you can check that out on theprimementor.com. We also have the Trauma Transcendence Technique e-course that is freely available. So when you are interested in grabbing a session, grabbing a report, or grabbing a subscription, you just create a free account. And through that free account, we also have a courses section. This courses section right now has the Trauma Transcendence Technique e-course available to it, where you're able to access all 10 days through the Trauma Transcendence Technique e-course on the membership dashboard. So that is going to be really exciting. It's really well put together. And I'm also going to be creating the brand new Prime Law e-course that is set to debut its introductory module on April 26. So that is, again, another beautiful, amazing course that is going to be coming, that's going to be extremely beneficial. So it's bringing you up to speed about the nature of the prime law, about entering prime mind, about moving into the prime state. This is all very exciting. It's all very powerful. I'm going to have, again, a lot more new videos coming up talking about the prime law, talking about the prime mind, talking about prime state, getting out of beta mind, getting out of the beta altogether, and moving yourself into the deeper understandings of prime law and the prime state. Now, we also have reports. This actually goes back to another old website of mine called predictmyastrology.com. Now it's been completely reversioned and remodified, and a lot stronger, a lot better. So this is, again, where you can take reports based upon the Divinate metaphysical system and giving you a lot more key information relating to your life in every factor: family, career, finances, travel, whatever it may be. Relationships, that one too, of course. So again, I'm going to be putting a lot of my own information directly into those reports. Those reports are partly generated and also include a lot of my own information as I work personally with the reports as well too. And best of all, you get them within 48 hours, Monday to Friday. If we go on upon a weekend, then you get it on Monday. So again, you can check all of these out. These are incredible new facets with the brand new Prime Mentor website. Again, the website is theprimementor.com. wisdomtransmissions.com within the next day or so is going to be forwarding directly to that website, as is the anoint.me. That is also going to be forwarding to the new Prime Mentor website. So check it out. There's a lot there for you to look into. It's really exciting. And of course, I have also made it part of Radiate technology as well too, which means when you access the website and you're actually seeing what the website holds, there is Radiate technology that is actually working on the background to making your experience even more amazing. Thank you so much for watching. More to come about the Prime Mentor. We got a lot more stuff to talk about. I'm just so happy to finally roll this out and share it with all of you. It's going to be a really exciting time ahead. Take care, everybody. Thank you so much. Namaskar, and may be well with you.